Several new visualization functions has been added to this release, and you may find them useful in your data visualization and interpretation. So here I'll use this mining site example to demonstrate those functions, those dots corresponding to microseismic events recorded by the geophones surrounding the ore body, the size corresponding to the magnitude, and the color corresponding to time. So the first example is the density plane. As you already see, we support many parameters, not only the event's density here. And I choose event's density for demonstration. Click OK. Then this density plane shows up. The higher color, or the red, corresponding to high density events, and the blue or even dark blue corresponding to low events. The new function we add here is the isosurface. So you right click on any of the plane and you select isosurface, you'll get the isosurface calculated. The default isosurface value is the median of the 3D volume. You right click on the isosurface and you can see you can slide in the bar to change the ISO value. When you change the ISO value, the color will change correspondingly. And when you click apply or OK, it will update the isosurface. As you can see here, I increase the isosurface value or decrease the isosurface value. The shape of that will change. It will tell you the information of the density events, density distribution in 3D on top of the 2D color density planes. So this is another example. I use a higher value for the isosurface, and a multiple isosurface can coexist if you choose to generate multiple isosurface. The next example I want to show you is a shear to P wave amplitude ratio. So that shows the distribution of where the shear failure is dominant in 3D space. And I want to choose the minimum value to be a little bit higher. So now you can see the highlighted regions are dominantly shear failure. And again, you can slide in the 2D planes to visualize the distribution of this amplitude ratio, or you just click the isosurface and calculate isosurface value on this new 3D volume. So by default, the isosurface volume is the median. So you can see the color corresponding to the value in the same color scale used by the 2D plane, and you can slide in the isosurface value in the color changes corresponding to the value you selected. You can select to delete the 2D planes, and that can give you a much cleaner view. You can do the same thing for magnitude sensitivity. So I skipped the procedure to generate this magnitude sensitivity, but after you generate the magnitude sensitivity, you can right click on the plane and select to generate the isosurface. And here is the isosurface that I generated based on this magnitude sensitivity.